just looking for fa'arapu or just the pa'oti, because never did the Polynesian ancestors define a genre with one step, right? So fa'arapu, pa'oti are your most popular steps, but we're looking for a variety of basics. For drummers, it's like you only know how to play one beat, right? You gotta show us a variety. I think a lot of us rely on our hips and our pa'oti, but we have to see your facial expression. This is the window to your soul. We wanna see you enjoy what you're sharing with us. We wanna feel your mana. Mana is extremely important. This is so traditional for Polynesians, yes? All, no matter Tahiti, Samoa, Tonga, Otawa, Hawaii. This is really important that what you're feeling here, Polynesians, we feel not so much from the bottom of our heart, but from our our na'o. And we want to know that it's coming from there. Like Carolina said, listening to the rhythm of the beats, the pahu, the tari parao, the pahu, that's your heartbeat. Without that, you're dancing to your own tune. And you can, you know what I mean? You have to show us that you know the beat. All Polynesian dance, follow your hands. Your hands tell the story, right? So if you're doing a motion that's up here, with your whole face, you need to look at that motion, and you intrigue us as the audience. We are like, what are they dancing about? I love what you said about the message. In Tahitian, this is called tumu paro, yeah? Tumu paro. You have to have a theme. If you watch Ori Tahiti, Hurata Pairu, in Tahiti, that's how it's always done. You tell the story of old or new, yes? And all of you are capable of doing it. A lot of you guys are, so thank you so much. Don't forget, dancers backstage, have fun, meet someone new, because at the end of the day, we all love the same thing. That's why we're here, right? So I just want to say to the group leaders, thank you so much for bringing dancers out here. Thank you to the organizers. Maruru, maruru,